Bitcoin right now is breaking out of the descending channel. We have been trading in for quite some time already, and right now, guys, Bitcoin is testing a key moving average, and if we can get a daily close above this key moving average and this level continues to act as support, then that could be a great signal for the next Bitcoin rally that we are going to see in the shorter term time frame. So guys, let's dive right into it. But before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price, I quickly want to remember every single one of you, tomorrow I'm going to publish a very good tutorial on how you can use the Bybit exchange, and Bybit has given a gift to all the subscribers from the blockchain today, and if you sign up on the Bybit platform using my affiliate link down below, you will get a extra bonus on Bybit, a discount basically, which is only available if you use my sign up link down below. More information about that tomorrow, and if you already signed up using my affiliate link down below, then you will also receive this discount over on Bybit. So this is going to be very interesting. Next to the discount, you still can receive, of course, the $600 in bonus on your trading account. But do make sure, guys, that this is for experienced traders only. And if you are not trading profitably on the spot market, then don't think yet to trade Bitcoin with leverage, okay? So let's start off with the structures in the Bitcoin price right now. And yeah, what we basically have seen is that we have been trading in this descending channel since May this year approximately, right? So a couple of months we have been trading within this channel, but right now we finally see one of the first bullish signals, which is a trend change, change in the structure. So we are seeing it right there in the price, but we are also seeing it right there in the momentum indicators, right? We are seeing it in the MACD slightly. We got a declining resistance. We broke that already earlier than that. We have seen it actually on the relative strength index. But in the relative strength index, we also broke above a resistance that has been created since the beginning of this year. Very important. So we are seeing right now a break of structure in the price, and we are seeing now a break of structure in the momentum indicator. And both of that is indicating that right now Bitcoin is starting to look more and more bullish. So right now it's just a matter of time to see this unfolding, and it's important for Bitcoin to hold certain levels as support and to reclaim some important levels. So right now, when we have a look at the breakout of Bitcoin, then we can look at this price action from multiple perspectives, right? We can say, for example, okay, we have a double bottom formation right here, we have a triple bottom formation right here. That is all possible. That comes along most of the time with a uptrend in the RSI. So it doesn't really matter if we for example have that double bottom right here. We have seen that double bottom in the RSI as well. But if we take that triple bottom right here, we can see that in general, the bottoms, if we look at the bodies of the candles, they are making lower lows, but in the RSI, we are doing the opposite. That's one of the first signals of a reversal, that bullish divergence, and it can be with these formations that we are seeing right here. Then next of it, it's very important that we are breaking some resistance levels. And in my previous video, I've been stating already that this could be a resistance, right, that we are trading right here in a falling wedge formation, that we already broke it. Afterwards, we broke another resistance right here, a potential neckline of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. But the most important resistance above us was, of course, the declining resistance from this descending channel. And right now, Bitcoin again has been able to break above this level and was able, guys, to backtest this level as support. And this is also where we actually have been talking about for weeks right now. I've been making videos for weeks on the channel right here, saying that, guys, presenting you with information that, guys, we are going to see a bounce. Bitcoin will reverse from here. It can take some time, but the most likely scenario is that we are going to see that bounce. And I've been presenting you guys with so much information, and I got sometimes in the comment section, don't be a perma bull and stuff like that. But I've also stated in these videos that it doesn't matter if you are bearish or bullish on Bitcoin. Right now, the technical indicators are pointing to a bounce, or at least pointing that there is a higher chance of bouncing right here than actually seeing a further drop, right? And guys, finally, we are seeing that scenario playing out right now. So Bitcoin is right now showing the first signs of that bounce right here. And like I also said in my previous videos, and this is also very important right now, is that we are not going to assume that this bounce is going to result in an uptrend. Neither we are going to assume that this bounce will result in a retracement and we are going to see a further drop. We are going to wait till we get clear confirmation, till we can see Bitcoin reclaiming some levels or getting rejected at some levels, so that we can see whether this bounce will result in that fifth wave structure to the upside, which will bring Bitcoin to $100,000 and more by the end of this year, by the latest beginning of next year, or whether this bounce is going to be a retracement and that Bitcoin is going to see still a multi-month downtrend, because both scenarios right now are definitely possible. Okay guys, so right now we broke above that declining resistance of the descending channel. What is the next level that Bitcoin right now is running into? And this is a very important level, guys, and that is the 50 daily moving average. And let me get rid of the drawings right here, and let me bigger the price right here. So if we have a look at the 50-day moving average, then we can see during this run right here, the 50-day has been acting as support. And the moment we have breaking below the 50-day moving average, this level has been acting as resistance. So right now, testing this level is going to be very important, because if we can get a break above the 50-day moving average, then that is showing strength in the price of Bitcoin, and that will show more confidence to other investors, which can lead to a rally in the Bitcoin price. If we have seen the last time Bitcoin broke above the 50-day moving average, that was the start of the major rally we have seen, where Bitcoin went to 65,000 US dollar approximately. And in previous times we can see it as well. The moment when Bitcoin breaks above the 50-day moving average, it is showing quite some significance when we have a look at the historical price action of Bitcoin. And we also have to approach Bitcoin level for level, right? So right now, the most important level in the price of Bitcoin in the immediate short-term time frame is going to be the 50-day moving average, which right now is at approximately 34,350. If we get a daily close above this level, like I said, that will bring more confidence into the Bitcoin markets, and that might be able to kick off this major rally we are going to see with Bitcoin, with this bullish divergence on the daily time frame, which is really powerful, guys. If we have a look at previous times where we have seen bullish divergences on daily time frames, then Bitcoin has just seen immense rallies of 100%, rallies of 50%, and also starts of major uptrends, right? So this bullish divergence on the daily time frame, once confirmed, and it's getting more and more confirmed right now since we are breaking resistance, right, is very, very powerful. Don't underestimate that. That's just very powerful. So I think without a doubt we are going to most likely we are going to break above this level, and we are going to see a continuation of this rally. What is the next level that I'm watching? Because now it is going to be important which levels are we going to watch above us. And first of all, guys, in the direct future, we have a important level, and that is on the 4-hour time frame, better visible. That is right here, approximately the level of 35,000 US dollars. So that's the red line right here. We can see that this line has been acting as support in the past during this range, but also as resistance once we broke below the 35k range. So I think this is going to be after breaking above the 50-day moving average, which is slightly below this level, 34,300. The 35k level is going to be a key level in the price of Bitcoin. If we can break above this level and this level can hold as support, then I expect Bitcoin to see a big move to the upside, to be honest. And I think the next level, the next major level in the price of Bitcoin, once we broke 35k decisively, is, let me go to the weekly time frame, get rid of the drawings. So guys, the 20-week moving average, that is a make or breaker, normally showing us whether Bitcoin is in a bull market or in a bear market. We can see it right here in 2016 and 17, right here. Once we broke above the 20-week moving average, and as long as we hold above the 20-week moving average, we have seen Bitcoin in a bull market. And the moment we broke below this level, and this level acted as resistance, Bitcoin was in a multi-year long downtrend, bear market. Right here we had something similar. Was a little bit sloppy right here with this volatility in the price of Bitcoin, but also Bitcoin trading above 20-week bullish, Bitcoin trading below 20-week bearish. So right now we are trading below the 20-week moving average, and I think this is going to be one of the most important levels, because if Bitcoin were to get rejected from the 20-week moving average, which right now is approximately at slightly below 45,000 US dollars, but do take in mind, guys, as time goes by, this will decrease due to the fact that this is a dynamic moving average. But if Bitcoin were to get rejected from it and we were to get a clear rejection, that would be a very bearish signal for Bitcoin, and investors and traders will lose a lot of trust when an event like this happens. The opposite, guys, is true as well. If Bitcoin can break right here above the 20-week moving average, if we are let's say we would meet it right here, we break above this level and this level can act as support, then that is showing us that it is getting more and more likely that we are entering the fifth wave and that Bitcoin right now is still in a bull market. But I think right now this is one of the most important levels to determine whether Bitcoin wants to remain bullish when Bitcoin wants to enter that new uptrend, or whether Bitcoin wants to remain bearish and wants to continue to trade below this level. So next to the Fibonacci levels that we can use right here as well. So let me bring that out as well. Fibonacci retracement tool from the top till the bottom right here. Then you can see that the golden ratio is a very important level for retracements. Right now it's slightly above the 20-week moving average. So guys, if Bitcoin can break above the 20-week moving average in the not so distant future and this level holds support, that is a very important event, that this level is being tested as support, then that will bring a lot of confidence back into the crypto markets, and we are going to see a lot of speculation again into altcoins. Then guys, right now when we have a look at the weekly time frame, we can see some other bullish signs as well, and that is that the MACD is right now going to oversold conditions, showing that we might see a cross in the near future. And if we have a look at the RSI, we have a clear declining resistance, which most likely will be tested in the coming weeks and might see a breakout. So that means that we also change the structure in the momentum on the weekly time frame, which will be a extra bullish signal. But guys, right now Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish as long as we are holding these levels right here. We have to hold above this descending channel, of course. If we were to break back into this channel, that would signal more bearish price action. But so far, Bitcoin is just looking, actually very, very good. And I'm happy that we are going to see that scenario playing out we have been talking about over the past couple of weeks. Then guys, I quickly want to mention two things to open a little discussion with you guys. And first of all, I want to go to the Bitcoin dominance and showing you guys what I see there. Right now, I see a potential rising wedge formation, which could eventually be a nice indicator for whether your liquidity should be in altcoins or whether your liquidity should be in Bitcoin, right? So if we were to break right here the 48 level, maybe you can also the 48.5 level right here. It's the first Fibonacci level, but it's also the resistance of this rising wedge formation. If we were to see that, then most likely we can see a spike in the Bitcoin dominance and liquidity from altcoins will go to Bitcoin. The liquidity in the general crypto markets will be concentrated on Bitcoin. This is a very important signal, guys, to watch, so you can determine whether you want to have your liquidity in altcoins or in Bitcoin, right? If we were to break this support right here of this rising wedge pattern and we can see a continuation of alt season, then that is also an important signal. That means that most likely you want to be positioned into altcoins, you want to speculate so you can earn more Bitcoin while doing so. So this is a very important pattern that we are seeing right now in the Bitcoin dominance, and I thought it's important to mention. And the last thing I wanted to mention with you guys is that we are seeing an interesting development when we have a look at gold against Bitcoin. So let me get rid of the drawings Let me just open the Bitcoin price right here, and let me overlay the gold chart on a new price scale right here, and then we are actually seeing something weird. So before, right after the crash in March 2020, Bitcoin and gold were actually quite correlated, right? We both crashed, Bitcoin crashed, gold crashed, and afterwards we saw this rally in Bitcoin and in gold. But like since right here, since gold topped out, we actually lost that correlation. So here we can basically see a decoupling of that correlation. So right here we see gold topping out. That was in August 2020, entering a downtrend right here. And Bitcoin went up. Bitcoin went into that uptrend, right? And once Bitcoin topped out right here, we have seen this was the top of Bitcoin, of course, but here we have seen this topping formation. Then we actually saw the bottom in gold. And when Bitcoin went into a downtrend, gold went into a uptrend. So I think this is a very interesting correlation right now. And the reason I want to bring this up, guys, is I want to get your opinion on this. What do you think about this correlation? Do you think it's significant right now that we are seeing that inverse correlation, Bitcoin and gold? And do you think that it is interesting to analyze the gold charts as well, so that we might be able to predict the price of Bitcoin? Guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you all enjoyed today's video, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for the ones that haven't got an account over on the Bybit exchange yet, right now could be a great opportunity to sign up using my affiliate link down below, where you can get an additional bonus of $600, but you will as well receive a discount starting from tomorrow once I'm going to publish that tutorial, which is specifically for people who signed up using my affiliate link. And it doesn't matter if you signed up in the past or that you are signed up right now as a new user, both will receive that discount. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.